Let's get a sense of what's playing on the global economy.
Yes, Ladi. Total Energies has reduced its share buyback program after reporting a drop in profits pressured by weaker oil prices. Now, the energy major posted lower fourth quarter earnings, prompting it to scale back shareholder returns to protect its balance sheet. The move reflects broader strain across the oil sector as companies navigate softer crude prices and tighter margins. Next, Dutch brewer Heineken says it will cut up to 6,000 jobs worldwide over the next 2 years as part of efforts to reduce costs and boost productivity amid weak beer demand. The company reported a 4.4% rise in operating profit in 2025, but has lowered its profit growth forecast for 2026 to 2% to 6%, down from earlier guidance. Now, Heineken says the job cuts are part of a long-term strategy to unlock savings and improve efficiency across its global operations. And Amazon has received FCC approval to launch 4,500 additional low Earth orbit satellites, nearly doubling its Kuiper constellation to 7,700 spacecraft. The expansion positions Amazon as a stronger competitor to SpaceX Starlink, which already operates thousands of satellites. The company now faces a race to deploy the new satellites and scale its infrastructure to deliver global broadband from space. Next, Elon Musk's AI startup XI has lost its second co-founder in 2 days, with Jimmy Ba announcing his departure after Tony Wu's exit. The move means half of the company's original co-founders have now left, underscoring leadership changes as the firm competes in the fast-growing AI sector. And China's consumer prices rose just 0.2% year-on-year in January, down from December's 0.8%, below expectations. Producer prices fell 1.4%, extending factory gate deflation. Though the decline slowed slightly, the soft inflation figures highlight ongoing weak demand in the world's second-largest economy and may increase pressure on policymakers to provide more support to revive consumption and industrial activity. Now, Hong Kong, we see it's about to issue stablecoin licenses. First stablecoin license by March 2026 under a new regulatory framework for fiat-backed digital tokens. Only a limited number of approval is expected initially, and the move comes as mainland China maintains strict bans on cryptocurrencies and bans on approved stablecoin issuance, underscoring different approaches within Greater China's financial landscape. And we head to the U.S., where President Donald Trump has again said U.S. tariff threats helped end a past clash between India and Pakistan. He claimed trade pressure prevented further escalation between the two nuclear-armed nations, though India has denied any third-party role. The comments revived debate over the use of tariffs as a diplomatic tool. Now let's head down to the U.S. markets and check in our Wall Street close on Tuesday amid weak retail sales data released yesterday and also ahead of delayed January jobs data expected later today. Yes, Maria.
The U.S. stock market was mixed on Tuesday as the Dow Jones closed up at 0.1% for its third straight record close, as the S&P 500 fell at 0.3% down, and the heavy tech Nasdaq fell at 0.6% down, as companies like Nvidia and Alphabet saw some major loss on the day. And many investors continue to watch what is impending to be the biggest jobs report release in the 2026. So only time will tell how this U.S. jobs report could impact the U.S. economy.